basically that creates an anxiety in the customer that means that they feel like there's something missing, and then you sell them the something that's missing. You have this upsell to the mastermind course or the platinum club or the whatever it is. And people buy it because they feel like they're not quite ready yet. Whereas actually, whenever you do something new, you're never going to be ready. You have to start before you're ready. No one, you know, you're not a perfect tennis player from reading a book about tennis. You need to get out on the court and hit a few balls around. And it's exactly the same in this business. You need to go out and meet some entrepreneurs and talk to them and try and structure some deals. And you're going to fuck a few up and you're going to learn a few lessons along the way. So we're kind of just realistic with people that this is the journey you have to go on. We can give you all the knowledge and the information and some cool tricks and hacks that you can use along the way, and some things that work and some things we know that don't work. But ultimately, you're going to have to go out and do this stuff for yourself. You're going to have to go out and, you know, actually go and meet with some people and start to take some action to learn.